Hey besties! First off, can I just say, you're already gorgeous, okay? Like, seriously, don't you dare forget that. But today, we're turning it up a notch. Imagine starting 2025 as that girl, glowing, confident, and ready to slay the year ahead. So grab your fluffy socks and a cup of coffee because we're diving into the ultimate one-day glow-up plan. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be staring at the mirror like, who is she? Let's do this. First things first, skincare, because your face deserves VIP treatment. Start with a gentle cleanse to remove all the dirt and bad vibes from last year. A hydrating face mask is next. It's like a hug for your skin. My fave DIY mask? Mix honey, yogurt, and a pinch of turmeric. Your skin will thank you. After that, go in with a serum, something with hyaluronic acid if your skin's feeling thirsty, or vitamin C for that lit from within glow. Don't skip moisturizer and seal it all in with sunscreen, even if it's winter, because sun doesn't take a holiday baby girl. Remember, respect yourself enough to take care of your skin. It's the canvas for your beauty. All right, girl, let's brighten up that smile. Brush your teeth with a toothpaste and floss like the queen you are. Follow up with some mouthwash to stay minty fresh. If you're feeling extra, try oil pulling with coconut oil for 10 minutes. It's weirdly relaxing and makes your teeth so shiny. Nothing feels as good as a shower that hits just right. Use a fragrant body wash and exfoliate with a sugar scrub to make your skin feel like silk. Don't forget to shave or trim if that's your thing. When you're out of the shower, moisturize with a body lotion or oil. Hello, softness overload. And girl, a signature scent? Game changer. Spray perfume on your pulse points and hair for that chef's kiss touch. Less is more, bestie. Start with a glowy primer and a lightweight foundation or BB cream. Dab a little concealer under your eyes. Bye-bye 2024 stress. Add a soft blush for that I just woke up this cute look. A little highlight on your cheekbones and mascara to make your eyes pop. Finish with a natural lip tint or gloss and boom, effortlessly stunning. Time to style it up. Keep it chic but comfy. Think neutral tones, matching sets, or that one outfit that makes you feel unstoppable. Layer a dainty necklace or some gold hoops for a classy touch, and don't forget to style your hair. Whether it's a sleek ponytail, soft curls, or even just a clean blow-dry, you'll look polished and so put together. Now that you look amazing, let's make sure you feel amazing. Stand tall, smile often, and repeat after me. I am worthy, I am powerful, I deserve all the good things coming my way. Confidence is your best accessory, babe, and it doesn't cost a thing. The way you see yourself sets the standard for how others see you. Own your worth. By the way, you can check out my video on affirmations to repeat in mornings for a more confident you. And just like that, you're glowing, inside and out, starting 2025. As your best self is less about perfection and more about self-love, care, and confidence, you're unstoppable. And I can't wait to see the magic you bring to this year. Remember, your bestie, aka me, is always here cheering you on. Let's conquer 2025 together, one glow up at a time. Bye, gorgeous and happy glowing.